Okay, so welcome back. Today we're going to do something completely different. It's nothing to do with race cars. It's a broken screen on an iPad. So I bought a little kit on Amazon, and I've read the instructions, watched a video on YouTube. So I thought, well, let's have a little look and see how hard it can be. So we'll open the box and see what's in here. Got some sticky tape of some sort. Got a set of tools. Some tweezers. I've got a sucky thing. There's a little bag of, it says screen protector accessories. And I assume this is the screen. Or if it's not the screen, it's rather annoying. So yeah, so what we've got is we've got a little screen and some instructions. So I put that all to one side at the moment, and have a little look. I may well have some instructions in here. So, right, don't hurt yourself. That's quite nice, isn't it? Yeah, so basically what we've got to do is we've got to heat the edges on here with a heat gun, and we'll try and break the seal. So let's do that first, shall we? Wow. Don't know how long that's taken me. That's taken 1 hour and 15 minutes, and we've got a screen back on. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and something a little bit different. But we appear to have fixed the screen. So I just urge you to just, it's always worth having a go. So thanks for watching, and how hard can it be?